How does Power BI assist an aged care organisation in managing the challenges of mandated reporting responsibilities?
One outcome of the aged care reforms and the aged care reform bill that the government has recently legislated is an even greater focus on the reporting frequency and the sheer amount of information. So we've gone from what was a relatively, not simple, but certainly a relatively straightforward set of annual reporting requirements to now a quarterly set of very complex and very granular reporting requirements, in addition to an increased set of annual reporting requirements. Now, that's great, and it's actually really important in terms of the outcomes that the industry generates for the community, that an awful lot of money gets spent on by federal government, and therefore as members of the community we have a right to understand that that money is being well spent. Not to mention if you've got people in your family or friends network that are in aged care, you want to make sure that money's being well spent and they're being well looked after. But the extra workload that's creating on the finance and admin teams within aged care organisations. And we're talking about people who are already under immense pressure. There's not nearly enough people working in aged care generally. That doesn't just happen at that kind of highly visible nursing front, that also happens in the back end of running these organisations as well. So you're talking about people that are already under massive amounts of pressure to get things done. Now they're being asked to do even more. So having platforms like Power BI that we've worked with a number of our customers to understand these reporting and compliance requirements, understand where all the data from around their organisation, from within their Epicor platform and other supporting systems needs to be brought together, is something that Power BI allows us to do and present to that organisation in such a way they can use it both internally as well as answer those external reporting and compliance requirements.